We have a report sharing with you that Tesla Model 3 saved owner's life in collision with SUV, confirming its 5-star safety rating. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla coverage. Tesla Model 3 saved its owner's life in a collision with an SUV, confirming its 5-star safety rating. The accident occurred in a blind left turn scenario, whereby there was no chance to avoid a collision with a drunk driver who turned into oncoming traffic. Eva Fox from the Tesmanian reports the details of this story. Eva says Tesla Model 3 owner Tesla Sean on Twitter shared with Tesmanian the story of how his car saved his life in a head-on collision with an SUV. Looking through the photos from the scene of the accident, it becomes clear that its consequences could have been tragic if Tesla Sean on Twitter was not in a Tesla, which has really huge crumple zone in front. The crash victim recalls that he was driving down the road on the outskirts of the city in Sacramento, California that day and made a turn around a blind corner. Just a second before the collision, Tesla Sean noticed another car that swerved around the corner and straight into his Model 3. He revealed that he has a professional driver's license with all endorsements and can drive any type of vehicle on the road. But at that moment, he had no time to do anything or even prepare for the crash. Tesla Sean put it this way, quote, "Coming up to a blind corner and suddenly I get one frame like a movie of a car 10 feet in front of me at a high rate of speed." End of the quote. A Honda Element SUV driven by a drunk woman crashed into his car at high speed. As a result of the head-on collision, the entire front of the Model 3 was smashed, which would certainly have led to a very tragic consequence if it were a different car. The fact that Tesla vehicles have a lot of space in the front of the car allows for very large crumple zone that absorbs the force of an impact. The absence of a bulky engine saves the front seat passengers from the risk of being injured, severely injured, or worse in the event of an accident, which often happens in gas cars. As a result of the accident, Tesla Sean suffered severe hip bruising and a broken wrist. However, there were no life-threatening injuries, thank God. The fate of the Honda driver remains unknown, but her car was badly damaged as well. Friends, Tesmanian notes that this crash validates the Model 3's 5-star safety rating. Tesla's affordable sedan received 5-star safety rating from multiple organizations like the NHTSA, IIHS, and Euro NCAP. This allowed the vehicle to impress safety agencies across several parts of the world, including North America, Europe, and Australia. The constant painstaking work of Tesla has amazing results because the safety of its car passengers and other road users is a priority for Tesla. Well, friends, let me know what you think about all these things and about all this, the accident and the consequences of the accident. In the meantime, we're getting some good news coming from Giga Berlin area. You know, today is the last day. October 14 marks the end of the deadline for the hearing, which allows all those who have submitted objections against Tesla Giga Berlin, discussing them by mail with the Brandenburg authorities. The final construction permit for Tesla Giga Berlin should be issued anytime in the next weeks. Theoretically, the permit could be issued any day now, but I assume that the authorities probably will need some time to put everything together to make the final permit legally sound. And who knows, maybe they are already working on all of these things. Early November should be, in my opinion, a realistic expectation. Any time before that would be a positive surprise. Potentially they can also do it by the end of October, because we still have about 15 days, half of October, but I think early November is more realistic. That's why Elon Musk said it will be early November or December. I don't know what paperwork or legal work needs to be done in order to come up with the details of this document in Giga Berlin. I was going to also tell you that there is another good chance. I spoke with Model 3 in this report. Model 3 has been doing really well in China, but Model Y is overtaking Model 3 sales already for the first time. It did. Tesla China has a new king in electric vehicles, according to figures from the Chinese Passenger Car Association. The Chinese entity responsible for tracking new vehicle registration has revealed the Model Y is officially the best-selling Tesla vehicle in China, overtaking the Model 3, which has been one of the biggest catalysts in the electric vehicle revolution in the country. The Model Y is an all-electric crossover that entered the lineup of Tesla vehicles in March 2020 after initial production began. Since then, the vehicle has gained a massive amount of notoriety due to its widespread appeal in nearly every market that is available in. In Tesla's home state in California, the Model Y took only 7 months to pass the sales figures of the Model 3, but the two vehicles are extremely similar in shape and they share many of the same parts, up to 75%, according to some Tesla executives. The difference between the two cars really amounts to size, cargo space, and body style. Now, I spoke about Model 3's 5-star ratings. What about Model Y? Do you guys, I want to hear from you. I have read a lot in the media, but do you guys have stories that you can share in the comment section about the safety of Model Y, about reliability of Model Y and its safety rating? So please let me know in the comment section below, friends. It will be interesting to see and share and know. Now, while the Model Y has continued to establish its long-awaited title as Tesla's most popular vehicle in general, the all-electric crossover is now overtaking the Model 3 in Chinese automotive market. The Model 3 has performed exceptionally well in China since being delivered for the first time in the country nearly 2 years ago. It dominated sales figures for all of 2020, while 2021 has been friendly to the Model 3 as well. However, it has taken a back seat to the more affordable but less luxurious Hongguang Mini EV from GM's conglomerate with Wuling and SAIC in China. Tesla has still kept its eyes on the prize to deliver the highest quality electric vehicles in China. The Model Y has now overtaken the Model 3 in domestic sales. CPCA figures show 33,033 Model Y units were sold in September alone, while 19,120 Model 3 units builds were registered to new owners during Q3's final month in China. Well, friends, let me know your thoughts on the safety of Model 3 and Model Y, and what do you think about this accident report and the 5-star rating. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Have a great day, everyone. Peace be with all of you. God bless you, and I'll see you soon in our next report.